everybody, it's Happymailqueen. Today I wanted to share a project and I'm featuring some charms from Pretty Mix Studio and just a very simple project. And at the end I also have a process on how I created what I'm going to share with you guys, and I did use some of these fun charms. The jack-o'-lantern, these right here, the bats, the ghosties. I think I did put one of these in my projects, as well as the black ghost, and then these itty-bitty ghosties right here as well, which are just so adorable. I swear I need like a million of these. And then also this cutie patootie one right there. So I'm just loving all these ghosts, and then also the witch hat right here, and this charm as well. So lots of fun charms to play with. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I created. I decided to create some embellishment books, and I think this one is just so cute, and I wanted to just do a very simple embellishment book where I can just you know, basically share some charms with whoever's going to be receiving this. And I also wanted to use my 6x6 paper pads that I've had, and a couple of them were gifted to me, and the other one was a 6x6 paper pad that I had gotten from Joann's. And so let me just share what I used here. I did use the Happy Halloween matte stack, and I think this was from a year or two ago. I think it was 2019. And yeah, I just used this blue one right here, as you can see here on my cover, and the ghosties right here. So cute. This is just such a fun stack. And as you can see, I also cut out some bows there, so I did make some embellishments. And then this is another one here that I'm probably gonna eventually use as well, but this was gifted to me. I even put here from my bestie Erica. So decided to play with that. And then of course I had to make one to match the Frank Garcia studio you know, all the little projects that I've been doing with that that collection. So anyway, let me just share with you guys the inside of my my embellishment book. Let's move that over. And I did do some stitching just on the closure part right here. So I did use this fun, it has some silver jack-o'-lantern, like foiled jack-o'-lantern. You can't quite see here, but this is also foiled. I don't know if you can see that. This paper right here with the starburst. And then I just used a fastener or Velcro dot from the Dollar Tree. And then here are my embellishments, and as you can see, there's my little ghosties. They're just so adorable. I love them. And I just punched a hole here in the middle and put an eyelet on there, and then I was able to hang my ghosts. So here is some embellishments, and these are just I just made some itty-bitty teeny tiny rosettes and put some Alina Craft bling on them. They're just super sparkly and I love them. And then I just made some more of the this is a bow from My Creative Time. Super cute, and I believe this is the medium-sized one. And there's the jack-o'-lantern, and then here I also put some eyelets here to hang another charm, And here's the little ghosty, so cute. So super simple, right? And then again, using that matte stack, I also created this one right here. And you will see me do a process video when I created this one. And I did some funky stitching there. So I don't know, I just couldn't stitch for some reason when I was doing this. But anyway, again, it's basically very similar. Again, I just use different paper pattern here. And there's the cute little ghosty. So adorable. And it's just a fun little way to gift some embellishments. And great for, you know, your swaps. So there's that one, and then I did make another dangle here. And I love the little trick-or-treaters. I thought they're so cute. And then for my last one, I did use Frank Garcia's 31 collection, and I just had to make one with this paper collection because I love it so much. And again, I made my little closure here, so same thing. And I used this flocked paper from I don't know, it must be from Michael's because I couldn't find it at Hobby Lobby, and I was looking for it. And then also I used the specialty vellum from this collection. And then there's my little witchy hats, so cute. And then again, I made some teeny tiny rosettes, and then another pair of bow embellishments. And this time I used the bat, and I just thought it looked so plain, so I did add some bling on the body there. And I did stitch this one, just the front and the back pages. And then here's another cute little ghosty. I couldn't help it, I had to use this pink little ghost. I think it's so cute. So that is my project share for today. I hope you guys liked what I showed, and check out Pretty Mix Studio for any of these fun Halloween charms. And make sure you use my coupon code. I'll leave it in the description box. And if you want to check around, if you want to stick around to see my process video on how I created these mini books, go ahead and stay. All right, guys, have a great weekend. Bye.